Hi everybody. In this video, we are going to learn about the sublingual and buccal administration of medication. A drug or medication is any substance which is administered for the diagnostic, prophylactic, therapeutic and restorative purpose. Medications are administered through different routes like oral, parenteral, topical, etc. according to its preparation. Sublingual is a Latin term, means under the tongue. Sublingual administration is placing the drug under the tongue to be absorbed and dissolved into the bloodstream through the mucous membrane. The area underneath tongue has tiny blood capillaries which facilitate the direct and fast drug absorption. There are four different forms of medications used for sublingual administration. They are tablets, drops, buccal films and spray. Tablet nitroglycerin, tablet glycine with vitamin B12 are the two examples for tablet form. Fentanyl and ketorolac are the examples for buccal films which is used for sublingual administration. Melatonin, vitamin D, vitamin C, nitroglycerin are available in the spray form, can be used in the same route. Drops of antihistamines and immunotherapeutic agents like herbal extracts are used to administer in the sublingual route. The buccal route is the route of administration where the medication is placed between gums and the inner lining of the cheek. Tablets are used for buccal administration. In this picture, we can see how the drug is getting absorbed and dissolved as the time is progressed. Buccal films have active drugs in the mucoadhesive layer and facilitate the unilateral drug flow. When we apply this, within 5 seconds it adheres with the oral mucosa and dissolves within 15 to 30 minutes. Rapid absorption takes place through mucous membrane and it is designed for optimal drug delivery through mucosa. The buccal adhesive films can be used in three different locations. They are sublingual, lingual and buccal. Different types of buccal films are available. They are fast disintegrating buccal film, non-disintegrating buccal film, melt away film with taste masking agent. The other types are double layer film and single layer film. Double layer film are designed for unidirectional drug delivery into the buccal mucosa or into the oral cavity. Single layer film is made for bidirectional drug delivery for sublingual or buccal application. While applying sublingual or buccal tablets, ensure the patient's safety by following the principles of drug administration. Prevent the cross-infection by hand washing and wearing the glove. Position the patient comfortably in sitting, preferably in upright position, because in lying down position, the accidental aspiration may happen. Also, this is not suitable for the patients, those who are unconscious. As patients cannot eat or drink during the medication administration, Allow him to drink adequate water before starting the administration. Place medication as ordered, that is under the tongue or into the buccal cavity, and tilt the head forward to avoid swallowing. Ask patient to hold the medicine consistently in the same place till the prescribed duration of time. Ask not to force the medication down to the throat, which leads to swallowing, so the desirable effect will not happen or it will be less. Ask patient to rinse the mouth once the medication is absorbed completely. Wash hands and document the medication administration. Sublingual drops administration. Follow the principles of medication administration to ensure the safety of the patient. Shake the medication container well before you are using. Then only the medications which is settled at the bottom of the container also will be well mixed with the entire solution. Take the prescribed amount of medicine in the dropper and deposit under the tongue. Leave it for 60 seconds or according to the order. Ask the patient to rinse the mouth once the prescribed time is over. Document the medication administration. Administration of sublingual spray. Follow the principles of drug administration to ensure the safety. Do not shake the container and hold it in upright position, because if we are shaking, the air bubbles might be created, and while pumping, it will be interfering with the dosage of the medication. Prime the pump before using as directed. Usually it will be 3 to 5 times we need to press. Bring the nostrils as close to under the tongue. Do not touch the mouth. Press firmly as directed to ensure the right dosage of medication is administered. Ask the patient not to swallow and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes or according to the order. Document the medication administration. Buccal films. When we are applying the buccal films, we need to follow the principles of drug administration, wash hands and wear glove to ensure the prevention of cross infection. Remove the adhesive carefully and apply over the desirable site, because buccal films can be applied over 3 different areas like buccal cavity, sublingual and lingual application. Ask the patient to keep for the prescribed time. Usually it will be 15 to 30 minutes. Ask the patient not to drink or eat during the administration of medication. Remove the glove, discard it, wash hands and document the procedure. In sublingual and buccal route of administration, there is no need for water to swallow the medication. So it will be much useful in patients those who are having the fluid restriction. The action is very rapid and extensive drug absorption. It is not undergoing the first pass metabolism, so the bio-drug availability is more in this route. So there is need for only less dosage of medication. It is available in various size, shape and dosage. The medication can be hydrated and dissolved in the buccal cavity within a fraction of seconds. The taste masking facility is available in the buccal film, so the unpleasant taste will not be felt by the patient. It is easy to handle and transport. There is no risk for choking in buccal films. It is protected from the pH and digestive enzymes, so giving more bio drug availability, and also the medicines which is destroyed by the digestive enzymes can be used in this route. It improves the patient compliance. It is easy to administer and easy to terminate the therapy. Advantages are eating and drinking is restricted. It may be irritating the existing open sores in the mouth. The large dosage cannot be used through this route of administration. It is inconvenience to place the drug on the exact site. The medicine effect will be reduced if accidentally the patient is swallowing the medicine. Nausea and vomiting may occur with the unpleasant taste of the medication, and it is not suitable for the extended release formulations. Patient education. The patient has to be explained regarding the purpose and the indications of the medication, and they should be educated to place the medication in the right site, and they should also aware about the appropriate usage of medications. Regarding the storage, the patient has to keep the medicines in the clean and dry place. If not, the buccal films easily it will disintegrated with the moisture. Patient must be aware of the duration of action and also the timing, how long they have to hold the medicine. And the termination of procedure must be educated to the patient, and patient must learn how to do the self-oral mucus assessment in case of any ulceration to avoid the further irritation. I hope you have understood about the sublingual and buccal administration of medication. Thank you.